Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Richmond's place. Matt here. So this morning I had some running around to do. I've already let the chickens out and I've already let the rabbits out. And then I came in here and I decided to make a few more changes. We're going to add in these into the middle here. So there's a place for the trays to sit on. And when I put the cages in here, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. The other thing is I'm going to finish putting the brace. I got braces I got to put on the bottom yet. And then we're going to turn her over. We're going to put the wheels on. Let's get started. Yep. Something to learn from these projects is the night before, make sure you're charging your batteries. I tend to forget once in a while. This is going to probably cost me an hour. Seeing how we can't do anything with this project right now, we're going to move on to finish cleaning up the shed. It's not what I wanted to do today, but that's what we're going to do because we got to continue getting things done while we can get them done. So let's get, we got to empty out the vacuum first. Got to beat out the filter. Alright, we got one filter kind of cleaned out. Let's get this on there. Like so. Let's see if we can carry this, the camera, open the door. Alright. Every time I go in here, I get all itchy. I don't think it's because it's got any mites left in it, but so we now cleaned it several times. We've set off we set off 2 bombs. Let it air out here for a few minutes while we're waiting. Now we got to do the inside of the where the chickens stay. After that, then cobwebs. Once we get where the chickens stay, then we're gonna get spray paint, I guess. Just kind of trying to hold off on that. I will hold off on that, but we'll at least have it ready for spray paint today. We will get it spray painted today, just not yet. All right, I'm back. We have the battery all charged up. I've already inserted it into the drill. While I was waiting, we went and cleaned up the shed some more and went and picked up the paint and the bolts to assemble the wheels on. So we're going to finish installing these braces, and then we're going to turn it over and install the wheels. Next piece has got to be 33 5/8. 33 3/4. The saw blade's gonna get me through this project, and I'm gonna have to replace it. Okay, get this last bolt tightened up. All right, what do you think? Huh? Pretty nice. Now we're going to put a metal handle between here and here. We'll put some holes in there, and we'll put a metal rod through with a cap on each end. But next thing's next, we're going to get this painted. So, I don't know. Pretty proud of myself. I think we did a good job with this. When I go and split this into a how-to video, I'll put plans and stuff with it just in case somebody decides they want to build themselves a rabbit cart too. And where I got the materials for list of lumber and dimensions. It was fun. We got the wheels on. We ran out of memory card. But anyhow, we did get, I had to take a break. I didn't get a chance to get the painting done. We'll do that first thing in the morning. I had to go pick up Rebecca and then our granddaughter Octavia. So oh boy. Yep. I can say it's gonna be a fun night tonight. Anyhow, as I was saying, it's gonna be a fun night tonight. She's in a strange place because she hasn't been here in a while. So get used to it. It's going to be here for a few days. Looks like at least through the weekend, so it's going to make it a little harder to get things done, but it'll be okay. If you really like the content in our channel, please like, subscribe, share these videos. It'll be a lot of fun, and I look forward to seeing you. God bless, and have a great night.